Today we're making cauliflower tacos. The first thing we're going to do is take a small head of cauliflower and we're going to actually grind it together so it resembles ground beef, and that's what is in my bowl. Once you've done that, we're going to mix our ingredients together. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And once you have it mixed together, it's going to look something like this in your bowl. See? And we're going to actually pour it into the cauliflower and mix it all together. Once we have all the ingredients mixed together in the bowl, it should look something like this, which looks like ground beef, right? So next we're going to spread out our cauliflower onto a cookie sheet, and then we're going to bake it at 350 degrees. Once we have it all laid out on the baking sheet, it should look something like this. And now we're going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees, for 30 minutes. After letting it cook for 30 minutes, we take it out the oven, then we stir it, smooth it back out, and then we're going to put it back in for 15 minutes. Once you've taken your cauliflower out of the oven, it'll look something like this. And then you'll line your tacos. I use corn tortillas, coleslaw mix, and I use a green salsa, which is good to me and spicy. And we make our tacos. And there you have it. Cauliflower tacos.